Hey guys, welcome back to yet again another video of mine. You're watching a minute here on Tour Beauty. So I have just finished filming a video. So I have finished a day to night video. So I showed you guys how I changed my daytime makeup into this nighttime makeup. So I literally just glammed up the eyes, I put some eyeshadow on, put some lashes on, ready to go out tonight. So I am going to upload that video before I upload this video. So if you guys want to check out how I got this eye makeup, then the video is linked down below. But now I thought, whilst I am still getting ready, I am going to go in and make another video. Being cheeky, why not? Get in as many videos as you can. But I'm going to show you guys how I get this straight hair into this curly hair. I love curls. These are my go-to curls, and I really wanted to show you guys how I achieve these. I think I have got a video up for curly hair already up on my channel, but I thought you can never have enough videos. So if you guys want to check out how I got this, then carry on into the video. So firstly, I'm just going to tie up my hair. So I'm not going to tie up all of the hair, so I'm literally just taking this from the crown and above. Can you guys see how much of a grease pot my hair currently looks like? So that is one of the reasons why I am just gonna curl it. I could have actually washed my hair, but then it meant I would have had to do my makeup again. So I didn't want to have a shower because I didn't want to do my makeup again. So it just means I'm gonna curl my hair. So I'm literally just taking a small strip, and I'm using a Remington curler. So I use nothing too special. This is one of my kind of go-to favorite curlers. So I also started using the Mark Hill curlers, but I wasn't a big, huge fan of it. So I went back to kind of using my Remington. Now, if you do have a glove, that will be so much ideal. I think I do have a glove, so I'm going to look after this. So I leave this in my hair for about 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to let go. And you guys can see the curls. So I'm just going to take this strand of hair. And literally, I am just going to curl this. And I don't really focus curling them in a certain direction, especially not the bottom ones. When we get to the top of the head, I'll show you guys in what direction I like to curl the hairs. But at the bottom section, I feel like the hair is going to be unnoticed anyways, especially at the bottom, because the top hair is going to be covering it. So I'm just going to carry on curling, and I'm going to go back in with another strip. And I literally just take a strip by strip. I'm gonna give up on the glove because I feel like it's slowing me down, and I'm just gonna hold it so a little bit of the hair from there. I love how you can see my big double chin at the bottom there. But yeah. How are you guys liking this background which I have got going on in my room? I have been so lazy in cleaning up the beauty room, hence I have just been filming in my bedroom now. And you know what, I find it so much easier because my beauty room doesn't really have insulation, so it's really difficult to film in there during this cold weather. Even during the heat, it's really hard. I find like the best times to film in the beauty room have got to be throughout kind of spring and autumn, when the weather's quite nice. Around winter time and summertime, it's really hard. That curl, you guys, that was a beautiful curl. So pretty. Also, how are you guys liking these talk through videos? I actually do enjoy these talk through videos. I feel like I can bond with you guys so much more, and I feel like the videos are more kind of interactive. I'm interacting with you guys a lot more, but obviously it all depends, because sometimes I do have people in the house. Currently Harvey's actually been sleeping, so for the last kind of hour and a half he's been in bed. He is sleeping, having a very late nap. so I had the chance to film. But usually if Harvey is up and about, he really likes to come into the room which I am filming in. So because he's been sleeping, I've, you know, got lucky and I'm filming. And I think even the last few times which I have filmed, he has either been out with his dad, Jaggy has taken him to the park, or he's just taken him out and about, which has just made it easier for me to film. And so that is the bottom section done. To go in with some more hair, and then I'm just going to take a chunk, bring it down, and then I'm going to put this hair back up. And now you can see I'm taking the curler underneath my hair to apply some volume to my hair here. And again, I'm lifting my curler up instead of down, so I'm lifting it up so that the curls can have some nice kind of curls at the top. So I've got some volume there. So I'm just going to hold this up for about 30 seconds. Now the thing about my hair is it's super moldable, so I feel like my hair can mold into anything straight away. So it can go from straight to curly so quick. And there you go. And then again, just taking this up. So I took my curler from underneath. So now you guys can see I've got the kind of last bit at the top. So this one I find is the most trickiest because my front hair is really heavy because of my fringe. I'm just going to curl this up, hold this up at the same time, and I'm just going to do this slightly longer and then let go. And I don't worry too much whether it's the way I've wanted it or not. I do go back in and kind of style the front of my hair properly, and then I've literally just got a little bit more of a strand. So I'm just going to take this in smaller kind of sections, and what I like to do is I like my hair to be away from my face, so I'm straightening this away from my face and towards the back. This also helps to give volume to my hair as well. So as you guys can see, I still took it underneath, but I also took it away from my face. So we've got this little strand here, which I'm just going to curl, which didn't curl too much, and there you go. That's kind of curled. I always find the kind of front parts of my hair are always the ones I struggle with. And then again with this one, I'm gonna still take my curler underneath, but then again I'm still taking this away from my face. And then the last little bit, again gonna do this away from my face and then down. And now if you guys can see all the curls, they are just the kind of perfect wavy curls. Then what I like to do is go in with some hairspray. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Elne Satin Hairspray. So this one is the Supreme Hold Glam Waves. This is a new one and I love the smell of this one. I'm not a fan of hairspray smells, especially L'Oreal ones. I am not a big fan. But, this says precious, it's a Glam Waves with precious almond oil. Who would have thought it has almond oil in there? So if any of you guys don't know what almond oil is, it's this kind of green oil. I don't really like it, but yeah. So I'm just gonna hold my curls up. I'm not really gonna go too in. Honestly, I love the smell of this hairspray. And then I'm just gonna push my hair kind of slightly up as well. And then what I like to go in and do is use some of this. So this is a Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Reviving Dry Oil. So this just helps to infuse hair with sheer veil of shine, giving a multi-faced glow. So hopefully I read that all perfectly. Now usually you apply this into damp hair and then you blow dry it, but I like to use this kind of I like to use this just on my curls just to give them a little bit of a shine. So I'm going to do it from a big distance because I don't want my curls to go down with the oil. So I do want them to stay. So I've just sprayed a little bit of that to just give my curls a little bit of shine. But this is it, guys. This is how I get my go-to curls. I absolutely love wearing my hair in curls. I find, especially for a night out, anything, even during the day, I just love having my hair in these curls. These are my go-to. I always do my curls with my Remington curlers, and this is the outcome, and I really hope you guys like the way my curls have turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed part 2. So remember, the first video of how I did my eyeshadow and my eyes is linked down below. I would have actually put both videos in one. I don't know why I've made 2 separate videos, but I wasn't sure how I was going to wear my hair, and then I thought, let me just curl it, hence I made another video. But yes, so I really hope you guys enjoy this second part, and you guys can see the first part down below. But this is it for the video, guys. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my platforms. My Snapchat and my Instagram are linked down below, as well as the screen. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you guys enjoyed this look, then please do help the Tall Beauty family grow even more. But that is it from me for this video, and hopefully I will see every single one of you in my next one. Bye, guys.